Hello. Today we will learn autumn words. Autumn is a beautiful season, full of colors and changes. Let's start. Leaves. In autumn, the leaves change colors. The leaves are yellow and red. Falling leaves. The wind blows and we see falling leaves. Falling leaves cover the ground. Autumn foliage. The forest is full of autumn foliage. Autumn foliage is very beautiful. Acorn. Squirrels like to eat acorns in autumn. The squirrel finds an acorn. Chestnut. We can see chestnuts on the ground. I have a chestnut in my hand. Pumpkin. Autumn is the season of pumpkins. We eat pumpkin soup in autumn. Harvest. Autumn is the time of the harvest. Farmers bring in the harvest. Crisp air. In autumn, we feel the crisp air in the morning. I like to walk in the crisp air. Rain. In autumn, the weather is often rainy. It rains a lot in autumn. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more.